Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying 5 more shades from Kylie Cosmetics. I know I already did a video trying some colors, but I bought some new shades and I really want this video to just be a reference for you guys because I know a lot of people come to YouTube, Google even, Pinterest to see different shades to see if they want to try this color or not. And I just think videos like these are always really good references for people, especially people of color. If you just want to see what it looks like, then this is the video for you. So I'm gonna stop talking now and get into the new shades that I purchased. So the first liquid lipstick and lip liner I purchased was Exposed. I really got this color just because I wanted to see what this nude was like, and I think I had this one prior to her new launch, so I'm gonna try this one on first for you guys. So this is actually a really cute nude. I personally wouldn't pair it with this liner just because of my skin tone and my makeup preferences. Personally, I would love to see this nude with like the chestnut lip liner in MAC or Cork. The next shade I'm going in with is Dolce, and from the tube, it looks like it's another nude. However, it looks a little bit browner, so I'm hoping that it has a little bit more color than the last shade. This is what people mean when they say, why do you have all those nudes? Because they look different, okay? Like, you have to realize that the shade Exposed and Dolce, they're not the same. So let me just kind of tell you guys the difference. Dolce is definitely more cool toned than the Exposed shade. Okay you guys, so the next color that I'm going to be trying today is Mary Jo K, and to be honest, this is why I bought more shades from the Kylie Cosmetics line anyway, because I think when the first time that I bought these, either Mary Jo K wasn't available or it just sold out and I couldn't get my hands on it. So I bought this one and I was like, okay, well I might as well buy a few more too, and that's why we're really doing this video here today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply Mary Jo K for you guys. You guys, this color truly does not disappoint me at all. This is what I think about when I think of, oh, I need a red, I need to go to a cocktail party, I need to go to a dinner party. I don't know, it's just something about Mary Jo K, and I knew it from even when she had this color before she refreshed the ingredients. But I knew I loved this color even back then. I mean, it's truly very beautiful, and I think you guys should definitely purchase this color if you don't have a true red that you already are in love with. So you guys, I'm about to go into my very last shade, and just a little disclaimer, Mary Jo K did bleed on my lips a little, so be patient with me. I got it off as best I could, but yeah, I'm about to jump into my very last and darkest shade of the bunch. So you guys, this is the shade Hollyberry, and so far it looks like it's a really dark purple, very vampy. It reminds me a lot of the shade that was called Court K, I believe, back in the day. So I'm really excited to try this one on because I love dark lipsticks. Y'all, this shade is definitely giving Court K. And when I tell y'all, Court K had me in a chokehold when I was in college. Like, literally, I would not wear any other color if I went out other than this. Like, I would make sure I wore like black or like some kind of neutral outfit so that I could wear this shade. Y'all, I love it. Like, I thought that Mary Jo K was gonna be my favorite one out of this bunch. Obviously, it's not. It's definitely this one. Like, so you guys, I'm pretty much wrapping up the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you stayed to the end of this video, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. And like always, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and come on and join my makeup family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!